Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to showcase the top 11 most romantic places in Paris, France, the ultimate romantic destination. Sounds exciting, right? Let us know in the comments if we missed anything. Go ahead and book that trip. You will be happy you did, then let us know how we did. Also, please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Let's get into it. Our first stop takes us high above the city, to Le Metropolitan Hotel. Imagine yourself here, with the one you love, standing on a balcony overlooking the city of lights. The Eiffel Tower, shimmering like a beacon of hope, dominates the skyline, and every hour after sunset it erupts in a dazzling display of sparkling lights, a symphony of brilliance against the velvet night sky. This is Paris, where dreams come true. Now let's escape the hustle and bustle of the city and find a tranquil oasis in one of Paris's many picturesque parks. Imagine a blanket spread beneath a canopy of leaves, a basket overflowing with gourmet delights, a bottle of wine breathing the crisp Parisian air. This is the essence of a Parisian picnic, a symphony of flavors and sensations shared with someone special. Time slows down, worries fade away, and all that matters is the moment, the connection, the shared joy of simply being together. Some birds aren't meant to be caged, that's all. Their feathers are just too bright, I guess. And some experiences are best enjoyed with the gentle sway of a riverboat beneath you. Paris, you see, has a way of revealing its heart along the Seine. The architecture unfolds like a storybook, each building whispering tales of centuries past. And as you glide through the heart of the city, the Eiffel Tower, bathed in the warm glow of the setting sun, stands as a timeless symbol of romance. Hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies. And what says hope more than a fresh bouquet of flowers? Paris's flower markets are a symphony of colors and scents. Imagine strolling through rows of vibrant blooms, each petal holding the promise of beauty and joy. And amidst the bustle, you'll find artisans who can craft a personalized bouquet, a testament to the enduring powers of love and affection. I find I'm so excited, I can barely sit still or hold a thought in my head. I think it's the excitement only a free man can feel, a free man at the start of a long journey whose conclusion is uncertain. I hope I can make it across the border. I hope to see my friend and shake his hand. I hope the Pacific is as blue as it has been in my dreams. I hope. And sometimes hope tastes a lot like a perfectly crafted Parisian pastry. Jacques Jeannin's creations are more than just desserts. They're edible works of art, each bite a testament to the dedication and artistry of a true master. Some folks spend their lives chasing dreams. Others, well, they chase bubbles. And in the heart of France, those bubbles mean one thing: champagne. Journey with us to the birthplace of the world's most celebratory drink. We'll wander through sun-drenched vineyards, stepping inside the prestigious house of Veuve Clicquot-Ponsardin. Here, love is in the air, and it tastes a lot like victory. In the heart of Paris, nestled between grand museums and bustling streets, lies a sanctuary. The Luxembourg Gardens, a place where time seems to slow down. Lovers stroll hand in hand beneath the shade of ancient trees. Sailboats glide across the pond, carrying hopes and dreams on the breeze. A quiet escape, a stolen kiss, a moment of pure Parisian romance. They say the way to a man's heart is through his stomach, but in Paris, the way to anyone's heart is through their pastries. Join us as we step into a Parisian kitchen, trading our sightseeing shoes for aprons. We'll learn the secrets of delicate croissants, colorful macarons, and the art of creating love at first bite. Ah, Montmartre, a place where artists gather, where love hangs in the air like the scent of fresh paint. We'll wander through its charming streets, climb the steps to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica, a beacon of hope overlooking the city. And then, the Wall of Love, a testament to love's many languages, whispered in over 300 tongues. A reminder that love, like art, is universal. Some folks spend their whole lives in one place. They never see what's beyond the walls they build around themselves. But you're different. You yearn for adventure, for a taste of something new. So, let's escape the city for a while and journey to the Bois de Vincennes. Here, surrounded by nature's embrace, you can take a romantic boat ride to the Temple de l'Amour, a monument to enduring love. And as the sun sets, casting long shadows across the water, you'll feel a sense of peace wash over you, a reminder that hope, like love, never truly fades away. Hope is a good thing, maybe the best of things, and no good thing ever dies. That's what the Lovelock Bridge whispers to us. Thousands of locks, each one a testament to unbreakable bonds, adorn its railings. Imagine standing here, with the one you love, placing your own lock on this bridge. It's a symbol of your commitment, a promise whispered on the wind. As you toss the key into the Seine, you're not just letting go of a piece of metal, you're embracing the belief that your love, like this city, will forever endure. If you enjoyed our journey through the romantic heart of Paris, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. And tell us, what's your favorite romantic spot in Paris? Or maybe you have a hidden gem you'd like to share. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the video description for some great travel deals and gear that can help you plan your own Parisian love story.